Yes, this is Nitete. Nitete boy. Yeah. You go. Okay. Today, um, I'll teach you how to hit the high pitch. That's the slap. We call it slap on the drums. We have the djembe, pan logo from Ghana. We have the conga from the Latin, the root. Yeah. So we want to learn how to hit the high pitch on these three drums. We call it slap. So always I say, yeah, some people remember me because I will say, don't open your fingers. Opening your fingers, I can't even explain. Yeah, I don't really like the idea because you can open your fingers on drums that are really high. They've tight the skin really high, like djembe. But this, if you use the same technique on this, you sound really bad. You sound very bad. Yeah, very bad. Harmful. Yeah. So we want to keep the same technique, the same idea to sound good on both drums, on these three drums and any other palm drum that you come across. I always said it. First, remember, don't forget, don't open your fingers and just close it naturally. Don't put really energy by closing it. Just close it like that. But make sure you don't open your fingers. And in my previous video, I taught how to slap on the drum. So for those who are new watching this, try to subscribe, get back to some of my videos, and you find how to slap. This time I just want to make the sound that if you use the same technique, you sound good on any of it, and you can play any of it. Yeah, there is nothing like magic. Okay, so first, the mistake I don't want you to make, that's what I'm going to teach you now. I will open my fingers and I'll slap the drums. Okay, first I'll open my fingers and I'll slap the conga. So this is how I'm going. My fingers are open and I'll slap the conga. Listen carefully. The same, and I'll slap on the pan logo. The same, open. This even doesn't sound like slap at all. You can, and let me slap the same open on djembe. Okay, so some people are cool with this sound. Yeah, because they don't know the real and the good sound that's supposed to come out from these drums. And the sound, the good sound will come out when the player is good. So this is why I said don't open your palms, because you sound you sound kind of slap on conga, but you sound really bad on pan logo, unless you don't know the pan logo drum. You sound like like even tone. And on djembe, you sound kind of slap, but it's a spreading slap. If I say spreading slap, it's like boom, boom, boom. Yes, you want to keep the sound in one direction. Ka, ka, ka. So I'll go through very fast. You close your fingers and you slap it, not like straight, but you just going to slide your hand little bit and you slap. Okay, so let's start from the conga. When your fingers are closed and you slap halfway, that's you're going to slap halfway. That's where you're going to start. You get your slap. Let's try on the pan logo. Yeah, this is slap. Let's try on the djembe. Yes, so you can see the difference. Okay, that's why I don't like players or drummers that, fingers are open. No, that's wrong. You can't sound good on any palm drum that you will go across. Okay, so the best thing we have to do is keep our fingers close and keep the technique the same, and you will sound good. And one secret thing is you sound good on even low drums that are more than pan logo. Look at the slab, open. Even I use more power, okay, I'll still sound bad when my fingers are open. So make sure fingers closed, keep the technique. I've really taught the technique in my previous video. Watch it and apply the technique, and you sound on both drums. Thank you for watching and subscribe